Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create animated videos using AI in Canva. So I'm just going to go to the element section and I'm just going to select generate video. You do need to be premium for that. And you're just going to describe what I am to get started. Generate, you know what, let me just go to Magic Media here and then go to videos. I'm just going to select inspire again. Okay, why not? And then you're just going to generate your videos. You can use Magic Media or obviously the AI in Elements. It's going to be ready in a few minutes. Should I just wait here? I feel like it's going to take a long time, right? Or should I wait here? I really don't want to edit this video if I'm being completely honest with you. So I think you can just skip to the results maybe. I don't know. Here there's image graphics videos. The new one is 3D. You can now generate 3D images in Canva. But this is not what the video is about. This video is about creating an animation generating an animation using AI on Canva. So hopefully this should be done soon. Just a few more seconds. Usually if I put my mouse here, oh, there we go. And that is it. If you want to make the video look cartoonish, obviously you're going to generate it using like a different prompt. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.